Right, today we'll be looking at the Bergen extra long 3/8 inch ratchet. Okay, so the Bergen 72 teeth extra long 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Take a look at that there. Registered as 280mm in length. See there, and just like all other 72 teeth ratchets, it's got the quick release mechanism on there. As per usual, you can see there's a screw on the bottom as well as two either side for maintenance access. Reversible switch, and you can see the Bergen we can try to see anyway the Bergen logo on there with the number BE4112. There we go. So 280mm in length. It is a little bit shorter, but only just a little bit shorter than the brittle hallmark ratchet, which I keep for my workshop. This one is for use in the garage because there isn't really a decent 3/8 in there. There's a couple of those cheap ones that you get in the socket sets when they chuck you the free ratchet in there. So I thought I'd pick one of these up and make it an extra long one while we're at it, because you don't usually get the whole body of a 3/8 ratchet into a small nook and cranny anyway. You have to use a stubby one, so you use an extension on these otherwise anyway. So again, the fitment of the 3/8 drive, just check that. Seems fine. Seems fine again. There we go. So a little quick one. The Bergen is the number on there again as well, is that the same? Yeah, 4112, 3/8 inch drive, 72 teeth, 280mm long, extra long ratchet. Obviously, take a look at the handle. There is a slight mark on there. It was obviously done. There's one at the top as well. You can just see that little blemish there. That little dent there. That was obviously done to the original material before it was chrome plated, because the plating is actually, it's been plated over the top. It hasn't been chipped away or chipped off, so it is all chrome plated over an already knocked part. The ratchet itself seems alright. Seems to be of the same kind of build as the big 1/2 inch extra long one that I bought, which has worked out better than I thought it would do under the you know, the extra torque from being so long. I thought the mechanism might not quite like that, but it has actually stood up. So again, it doesn't hasn't got as big a thick a scaled down neck as that one did. It seems to be you know, quite normal, but the head seems to be a bit like a cobra's head, more than the actual straight pear. Like not the usual pear-shaped head. It's a little bit fatter, a bit like a cobra's head, but seems to be okay. Oh, you can pick these up for about I think it was about £12 or something like that I paid for it. So again, not too much for an extra long ratchet.